Hello foodie, I wish you a healthy day and enjoy Anh Cookery. Today I will share to you a dish that's a bit scary for maybe some people they not really eat the brain. So I will do the dish called pig brain, steamed pig brain. So I will show you how to do that, and if you are the one who really want to try everything, you can try this recipe at home. And for this dish, of course, you need the pig brain. So I bought 3 pig brain at the market, and as the spice come with the dish is a dry chili, some stock, and some shallot or purple onion, and some spring onion, some pepper, black pepper. So that what we need for making the dish with pig brain. So I will steam it. Yeah, you can see again the brain here. And I will need some of the oil, cooking oil, to add in the bowl as well to bring some flavor. Now I will add all the spice into this bowl, and then I will steam it. Just easy recipe, but the very tasty later you will see. So all this spice I already prepared for this. So about 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dry chili, some stock, 2 tablespoons of stock, I will mix it so it divide it well all the side. And the shallot you just mash it, you just powder it and keep like this, not slice. For the shallot you not need to slice it, just add it in for flavor. And spring onion also you just slice this long just to keep flavor. And also I do a lot of spring onion to take away all the bad smell of the brain, because it will have a very picky smell of the brain. So more shallot, more spring onion will make all the not nice smell disappear. And some cooking oil on top. So you do about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Just cover on the top of the brain. To steam the dish, I will use this pot, also with the cap on. So I add some water into the pot and then put the bowl in, then just cooking. So I will put this amount of the water, just half of the bowl. So you can add the bowl in. So make sure the water is not go up, cover the bowl. So you need also the cap to keep the water boiling well, and then cooking. So I will prepare the fire and then we will cook it. So I put the cap and the pot on already. So now we're just waiting for it boiling. Take about 15 minutes, and then we can try this. It's a bit smoky, so it's not really clear. So just waiting for the pig brain. Wood fire cooking is very amazing. Also something about the dish, because you know the elder Vietnamese people, they always believe what part you eat is good for your body part as well. So they said if you eat a pig brain or any brain of any other animal, you get your brain is better. So eat the leg, you get your leg good for your leg. Eat brain, good for your brain. Eat the stomach, good for your stomach. That why in Vietnam people they eat everything, everything of the animal. So all part of the pig or the cow, whatever. That's amazing of the Vietnamese food, but sometimes it's a bit scary for people who not really want to try. But for local Vietnamese, this is amazing. Do you hear the sound of the bowl jumping inside? That's because the water is boiling. So the bowl is jumping. That way when you add the water in, you not add all the water cover up, just half of the bowl. Then now when it's boiling, the bowl is jumping, but the water is not in the brain. I'll show you. See? That's why. So if you add water too much, the water will go into the brain. And because the fire is a bit high, so the water boiling very hot. You hear the sound, huh? I hear a very nice smell now. So it's ready. It's about 15 minutes already. I'll take the cap off, you can see. Ooh, it's ready. Very nice smell. Oh, must be very tasty. We will see. Woohoo! Okay, here it is. So I had a few times tried this already. So now I just show you how it look like after this. The flavor of the spring onion, pepper, chili. Woohoo! You can see. Wow. This is amazing. Sorry if scary some of you, but I'm sure if you are the foodie, you must very love this a lot. So just show you. You can see over here. It's all cooked from out to in. It's very healthy food for Vietnamese people. So if you have chance and you want to eat some Vietnamese food, you can try this one at home. This will taste like a cheese. It's a bit greasy but soft, and it tastes like a cheese. So it might about tofu. You can imagine it easier. Like it will taste like a tofu, soft like a tofu. The texture is also like a tofu, but the flavor is greasy. It's very healthy, very full flavor. All the ingredient in as well. Also more spicy, more onion. It help disappear all the bad flavor of the piggy brain. Enjoy. And I'm very happy if you enjoy this and it not make you scary. And thank you very much for watching Anh Cookery. So just follow Anh Cookery on YouTube. You will get more recipe about Vietnamese home cooking. Thank you. See you on the next video.